We, as part of Greenland Convent School, feel exceptionally proud to be an integral part of the marvelous educational revolution in India, serving the greatest need of any intellectual and civilized society, that is, holistically educating children. We cater to the needs of students and aspire for excellence to extend the best experience and exposure to the students through our institution. This is our reception area where we greet everyone with the showers of promises, commitment, and cooperation. This area consists of the director's office, the principal's office, the administrative office, and the staff room. All of these are the pillars of the school which ensures the students a bright future. The administrative office is the powerhouse of the institution as it is a place to plan, prepare, and execute. A school staff room is a must have for teaching staff to relax, re energize, and socialize with their colleagues. The staff room acts as a perfect place for members of staff to take a well deserved break. The staff room has individualized shelves, sitting area, a book corner, and yes, a restroom for the teachers. It is well said that if there is magic on this planet, it is contained in water. We have a water purifier plant installed in the school for the students and staff to keep them away from all the water related issues and diseases and to stay focused and work. Then we have individual boys and girls washrooms. It is well heard and said that sanitation and cleanliness are among the humblest of civic virtues, and it is easy to underestimate their significance. But it's the school only from where a child begins to learn sanitation and cleanliness. On each floor, there is a set of girls and boys washroom with 3 to 4 restrooms and urinals. Both of them are set apart to avoid any uncomfortability for the students. Also, there are 2 water points on each floor to avoid any useless roaming of students and easy access of water. Experiments play a crucial role in the progress of science. A laboratory is a place where basic experimental skills are learnt by systematically performing a set of prescribed and suitably designed experiments. Performing experiments by one's own hands is not only a thrilling experience but is also important because it entails learning by doing. In the chemistry lab, we have 2 long platforms for performing experiments, beautifully elaborated with equipments, chemicals, and glassware. There are sinks with water taps for washing purpose and liquid waste disposal, which are cleaned on a regular basis. Also, we provide heating facilities to the students in the chemistry lab. All the laws of physics are expressions of experimentally observed phenomena in nature. In the laboratory, students have an opportunity to observe and discover those phenomena directly. Laboratory work is a very important part of a course. It reinforces the students' understanding of fundamental concepts and principles while at the same time helping the students to develop skill in carrying out scientific measurements. We have a well equipped, spacious, and airy physics lab with all important apparatus and machines. Moving ahead, we have our maths and social science lab, which is nothing but just a room wrapped in wonder for the students. They really enjoy here a lot. This room consists of various charts, geometrical instruments, instrument based on the shapes, size for basic maths concepts, maps for social sciences, a globe, and the other things which are essential for junior level maths and social science. The other wonder in the series is the computer lab. There is a good number of computers enabling an easy access to each student. Each and every class is given an opportunity to use the computer lab in a fixed routine. Along with exploring these magic boxes, students also learn to maintain discipline. Moving towards the most precious corner of the school, Sydney Sheldon perfectly describes libraries stores the energy that fuels the imagination. They open up windows to the world and inspire us to explore and achieve and contribute to improving our quality of life. The school library has also been constructed as per the CBSE measures, bearing numerous varieties of books. We facilitate the students to have an extraordinary learning experience. We have 10 NCERT sets per class, encyclopedias, reference books, dictionaries, literary books of different genres such as novels, short stories, essays, dramas, etc., comics, daily newspaper, and various periodicals. Aristotle once said, "By life, we mean a thing that can nourish itself and grow and decay." And to explore life, biology plays a vital role in a student's life at basic levels. The lab has all the important equipments like the glasswares, microscopes, important display charts and models, and yes, not to be forgotten, the fluid preserved specimens. All the labs are up to the mark and built as per the norms raised by CBSE. Let's have a look on the open space and the boundary wall. The school is situated amidst the nature, away from the hustles of city, crowd and pollution, which gives children a comfortable stay in the school. The building is fortified from all sides to prevent any trespassing and ensures the safety of the students. The wall has such a height and are cemented, plastered, which doesn't allow anyone to climb over them. The school has good, well maintained corridors. Small, medium, and large sized classrooms, which ensures a comfortable stay of children at school. This is the smart class, where every class gets an easy and equal access by routine. We have a fixed timetable so that each and every class and also the teachers get an opportunity to come and teach in the smart class. This is the most favorite place of the students, the playground. We have a badminton playground, a volleyball playground, and also a football court. This big playground, only 2 classes are allowed at a time here on some cases. Otherwise, it can uphold a good number of students on the time of gatherings. We also allow small kids to come in the ground in winters and ensure their safety, as no classes allowed during the small kids time. This is the view of the building, and we also have the fire extinguisher on each floor, and we have installed the whole system for any fire emergency. And to avoid any kind of chaos, we have a regular exit and also an emergency exit. We have sprinklers on each of the floor and 2 extinguishers on each floor. We have tried our best to make our school student friendly and endeavoring to improve it more. Thanks for watching.